Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix TikTok when it keeps crashing on your TikTok app. You just go down and you click here on settings, then you come to a settings window here and you just go down, you click here on apps, then you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for TikTok app here and this is window, you just go down and you click here on TikTok, then you come to this is window, you click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache, you click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and you click on Play Store, sorry, and you come to this is window, you just click here on update and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. That's all now you have to do. Just follow this is ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for the watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.